Imagine the tenderest chicken you've ever tasted, each bite a symphony of flavors. The exterior is golden brown and satisfyingly crisp, the result of a beautiful marriage between flour and spices. Inside, the meat is juicy and succulent, bursting with flavor and melting in your mouth. This is the quintessential American-style fried chicken, a dish that captures hearts and taste buds all over the world. Begin with the star of the show, fresh chicken pieces. For this recipe, using a whole chicken cut into 8 pieces will yield the best results. Next, the magic happens in the marinade. Combine buttermilk, garlic, onion powder, salt, and black pepper in a large bowl. Submerge the chicken pieces in this creamy concoction, ensuring every piece is well coated. This buttermilk bath not only imparts flavor but also tenderizes the chicken, making every bite a delight. Once the chicken is fully covered in the marinade, it's time for a little patience. Cover the bowl and let it rest in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. The longer the chicken marinades, the better the flavor. Overnight is ideal if time allows. While the chicken is marinating, prepare the dry mix. In a large bowl, combine flour, cornstarch, and a secret blend of spices: paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. This mix will give the chicken its signature golden crust and a kick of flavor. Now, onto the frying. Heat a generous amount of oil in a deep pot or deep fryer until it reaches a temperature of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot, take each piece of chicken and liberally coat it in the dry mix. Ensure every inch is covered. Then gently lower the chicken into the oil. Fry until it reaches a golden brown color and the juices run clear when the chicken is cut. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the chicken from the oil and place it on a wire rack or paper towel to drain any excess oil. Repeat this process until all the chicken pieces are fried to perfection. To recap, the key to a perfect American-style fried chicken lies in 3 main steps: marinating the chicken in a buttermilk mixture, coating it in a flavorful dry mix, and frying it until golden brown. The essential ingredients include a whole chicken, buttermilk, flour, cornstarch, and a blend of spices. And there you have it, a fried chicken recipe that's sure to impress. With a crispy exterior and tender, juicy interior, each bite takes you on a journey through layers of flavors, from the subtly spiced crust to the perfectly marinated chicken. This is not just a dish, it's an experience, a testament to the power of simple ingredients and careful preparation. A taste of America, right in your kitchen.